Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how to unlock Facebook account if your Facebook is locked or disabled. So let's start. All right, so first here, let's go ahead and open up our web browser. And from here, we can have a new tab and let's search for facebook.com/help. All right, once you're in here, tap on the search bar in here and type in locked account. So from here, choose this one here. My personal Facebook account is disabled. Now here, you can scroll it down and under what can I do if my account has been disabled, you can tap on this link here and you can provide your information such as your login email address or mobile phone number, and you can also provide your full name, and you need to upload an ID. So this should be a valid ID like a government issued ID or your company issued ID. All right, so after this one, you just tap on send, and Facebook team is going to get in touch with you within 24 hours. All right, so I hope this information is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.